Okay.
Yeah, I will explain how to cook for you who are very lazy to cook with oil, the chips. So we also can cook actually with the microwave.
Yeah, we said the reason lazy is without oil. I think it's healthier.
Yeah. Although some controversies are already there, because also some people said with microwave can also induce the DNA issue problem like that. But I think not so much necessary, because with cooking with oil also can produce like that.
Yes.
So let's start, and then we should put not in the middle of the plate, because the concentration of the wave from the microwave itself usually will be in the middle, and it will make the chip get burned.
Okay,
So
and
we
make
should
sure
start
the
now.
plate is dry.
Yeah. Put this, and then it is in the high level, and then only 1 minute in red. So you can see that the chip is screaming now inside it. See, it is already starting.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can take it out after 1 minute. Enough, you can see. But actually, usually with the right kerupuk or chip, it will produce better and crispy. But maybe this is different type of kerupuk of chip that I used to make. So it is not so big when it is already cooked, but it is still crispy, and you can try.
Okay.
You can hear to the voice when I bite it.
Yummy.
What do you
Yes.
think?
I think it's delicious.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So finish for now.
Yeah. Danke.